Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Even G2 smart glasses, one of the newest AI-powered smart glasses that's been getting buzz as a practical everyday wearable rather than clunky AR gear. But the real question is, are they worth buying or just another gadget with lofty promises? Let's break it down. So the G2 is a lightweight smart glasses with a micro LED waveguide display built into the lenses, letting you see notifications, navigation cues, translations, teleprompter scripts, to-do lists, and more without pulling out your phone. They're designed without outward-facing cameras or speakers, helping them look more like everyday eyewear while still showing digital info right into your field of view. They also offer AI tools like Conversate, which can assist with real-time conversation prompts and summaries, plus standard features like alerts, calendars, and translation in multiple languages. Early hands-on reviewers and users praise the design, battery life, and everyday wearability. 2 days of use on a charge and a sleek, unobtrusive look make them more practical than some bulky AR glasses. Some folks appreciate how the display blends naturally with vision so notifications don't disrupt your attention like wrist wearables do. But there are trade-offs. No camera or full audio, so you won't shoot photos or immersive AR experiences. Display is monochrome, not full color, and some features rely on your smartphone for processing. Plus, enthusiasts point out some early reviews feel sponsored and real user feedback about connectivity and software polish is still limited. Some of its pros: stylish everyday wearable design that doesn't scream tech gadget, useful notifications, navigation, translation, and teleprompter tools, good battery life and prescription support. However, it has limited immersive AR. Feature performance depends heavily on smartphone integration and mixed feedback on connectivity and real offline user reviews. So is the Even G2 smart glasses worth it? It is if you want a sleek everyday AI display that gives notifications and context-aware help without slapping a screen in your face. It may be not if you expect full AR immersion or a polished standalone experience. The bottom line, they work as advertised for everyday AI overlay and discrete smart features. But expectations should be realistic about their capabilities and early adopter quirks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.